Airbus A1 orders from China to supply 140 single-aisle wide-body jets worth $22 billion at list prices, and said it's in talks to sell more A380 Superjumbos as the Asian nation is set to become the world's largest aviation market. The European plane maker secured an outline deal for 100 A320 series jets, split between current and new engine option versions, as well as 40 of its latest twin-aisle A350s, Chief Executive Officer Tom Enders said Wednesday in Berlin during a visit to the German capital by Chinese President Xi Jinping. The agreement was signed with state-owned China Aviation Supplies Holding Co., which will allocate the aircraft to individual airline operators over the next 5 to 6 years. According to Airbus, China is one of the world's most important markets for aviation today, Enders said. Talks are underway regarding a deal for more A380s to add to 5 sold to China Southern Airlines Co., with Airbus seeing demand for as many as 100 Superjumbos in the region. He said, "Quick take will made in China threaten Boeing and Airbus." China is expected to overtake the U.S. as the world's biggest aviation market by around 2024. Airbus's rival Boeing Co. has predicted the Asian country will need 6,810 aircraft in the 20 years through 2035, making it the world's biggest single-country market worth over $1 trillion. Travel demand within China is expected to grow 6.1% annually over the next 2 decades, according to the U.S. plane maker. Airbus already has a narrow-body production line in Tianjin, east of Beijing, and output of the A320s will be split between that site and Europe, according to Enders. The company is also looking at expanding a Chinese completion operation for its existing A330 model to include the re-engined A330neo, as well as the A350, he said, while exploring further collaboration in helicopter manufacturing and space technology. China's travel market grew almost 11% last year, 3 times that in the U.S. Demand for seats has by and large kept pace with capacity addition that has attracted investment from their rivals in the U.S. to tap growth. American Airlines Group Inc. agreed to buy a 2.68% stake in China Southern earlier this year, and Delta Airlines Inc. acquired a minority stake in China Eastern Airlines Corp. in 2015. Enders announced the plane sales at Airbus's Berlin offices after leaving the nearby German Chancellery, where Chancellor Angela Merkel separately detailed new accords with China, also including Siemens AG and Daimler AG. Airbus CEO said that while the order backlog for the A380 is melting, following a sales blank last year and in the first 6 months of 2017, the plane maker is not panicking yet, especially since cost savings will allow it to break even on a per-plane basis at a production rate of just 1 Superjumbo a month. Though the double-decker is proving tough to market, there are still sales leads, with China presenting realistic order prospects. He added, "I don't think it impossible that we will have some success there in coming years." Enders said, "We are in talks